Heard appears also to want to put the officers and 2 others' records and reputation in the spotlight in what has become a bitterly disputed case of he said she said over what really went down that spring night 5 years ago and who allegedly was abusing whom. Amber Heard drags LAPD further into $50 million legal battle with Johnny Depp. Subpoenas cops over 2016 domestic disturbance. Months after first going after the Los Angeles Police Department in her legal battle with Johnny Depp, Amber Heard has doubled down on the cops. In a subpoena approved by Fairfax County Court Clerk John Frey on September 20th, Heard and her legal team in the $50 million defamation case instigated by the former Pirates of the Caribbean star want to scoop up seemingly everything they can on the department and a quartet of officers who dealt with a 2016 domestic disturbance incident between the then-married Rum Diary co-stars in downtown LA. Similar to a subpoena Heard's lawyers sent to the LAPD on January 12th, this new notice wants the cops to produce the books, documents, records, electronically stored information, and tangible things designated and described below. Like the Aquaman star's previous subpoena, this one's centering on body camera footage or lack thereof from officers Melissa Saines and Tyler Haddon when they were called to Depp and Heard's plush pad at the Eastern Columbia building on May 21, 2016. With the March 2019 filed defamation case and Heard's $100 million countersuit finally set for trial next year, the recently issued subpoena desires all documents and communications of any nature respecting any investigation into whether Officers Saines and Haddon followed LAPD policy, procedures, and/or protocols in responding to the call at Eastern Columbia building on May 21, 2016 respecting Ms. Heard. As for the LAPD, it has taken the judicious route in response so far. We don't comment on open or pending litigation. LAPD PIO officer Jeff Lee told Deadline today, "The department has received the subpoena," a law enforcement source confirmed today. Among the other materials Team Heard wants to vacuum up are all documents and communications of any nature respecting any investigation of and any disciplinary actions taken against Officer Saines and Haddon for any conduct up through December 2016. Throwing further shade on the LAPD, the subpoena seeks the audit trails for any deletions, modifications, or viewing of the body camera footage uploaded to evidence.com by Officer Saines and Haddon during the period October 1, 2015 through August 1, 2016. It goes on to state that this request includes all documents that show any deletions, modifications, or viewing up to the present for footage uploaded during that time frame. Saines and Haddon both testified via satellite at Depp's unsuccessful attempt to sue Rupert Murdoch's UK tabloid The Sun for libel over the paper referring to the actor as a wife-beater. At that trial last year, Saines said that while Heard claimed Depp hit her in the face with a cell phone, she herself did not see any injuries. Also, footage from the officers' body cams showed the apartment in a pretty calm and neat state when they arrived that night. Still, as you may recall, photos of Heard with bruises and more on her face soon circulated in the opening salvo of what became a messy public end to the couple's short marriage. In the end, Depp paid out $7 million that Heard said she was going to donate to various groups like the ACLU, a series of contested donations that even her own lawyer admitted to Deadline earlier this year had not been fully given. Amber has already been responsible for 7 figures in donations to charitable causes and intends to continue to contribute and eventually fulfill her pledge, Virginia-based attorney Elaine Bredehoff said on January 7th.